10th standard, solving linear equation. The next model is boats and stream types of problems. That is, you just consider a stream. From this worksheet, you just consider the sixth problem. A boat goes 24 km upstream. That means the river flow is there, no? That opposite direction, 24 km. After that, 28 km downstream, that is reverse direction, in 6 hours. So total time they given 6 hours. It goes 30 km upstream and 21 km downstream in 6 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed of the boat in still water and also the speed of the stream. Both also they are asking. Okay, right. So let the boat speed is x km per hour, reverse speed is y km per hour. Therefore, the downstream speed is x plus y the kilometer per hour. Upstream speed is x minus y kilometer per hour. This is usual. Usually we are writing this one. Now, according to the question, how many kilometers it travels in the downstream? See this? 24 kilometer upstream, 28 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. 24 kilometer upstream. What is the speed of upstream? X minus y. 24 divided by x minus y. That is distance by speed. That is time. So we are getting time to travel in this upstream. Now downstream is 28 kilometer. So 28 kilometer divided by downstream speed is x plus y. If we divide this, we will get the time taken to travel this distance in this downstream. This is time taken to travel this 24 kilometer in upstream. So total time they given 6 hours. So add these two, we will get 6. Similarly, second one 30 kilometer upstream. So 30 divided by x minus y. 21 kilometer downstream. 21 divided by x plus y is equal to 6 hours 30 minutes. So 6.5 hours. 1 by 2. Total time they given, that's why plus. Now how to solve these two linear equations? So first we have to change this one. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 2. Okay, right. This is first equation and this is second equation. Now actually directly we cannot solve these two. So that what I am taking, let this 1 by x minus y is equal to a, 1 by x plus y is equal to b. Like this I am taking. So the first equation becomes 24a plus 28b is equal to 6. This is I am taking as third equation. After that, second equation can be written as 30a plus 21b is equal to 13 by 2. So here denominator 2 is there, that's why what I am doing, just multiply this by 2. So 60a plus 42b is equal to here only 13. This is fourth equation. Now if you solve these two, third and fourth equation, we will get a and b value, correct? That a and b value if you substitute here, we will get one more equation. If you solve that 2, we will get x and y value. Just to try that, we'll see the next sum, seventh one. A boat goes 12 km upstream, 40 km downstream in 8 hours. It can go 16 km upstream and 32 km downstream in the same time. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. So the same conditions we have to write. This one, boat speed will be x, reverse speed is y, and the downstream is x plus y, the upstream is x minus y. Then according to the question, what we can write, 12 km upstream, so 12 divided by x minus y. This is time taken to travel upstream 12 km. And then 40 kilometer downstream. So downstream speed is x plus y, distance by speed, that is we are getting time. So this is time for upstream and this is time for downstream. If you add these to 8 hours. Similarly 16 kilometer upstream, 32 kilometer downstream, total time is same time they given, that is 8 hours. So like last problem, x 1 by x minus y is equal to a, 1 by x plus y is equal to b. You take, solve these two, you will get a and b value. If you substitute this, you will get x and y value. That's all.